Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Fire Mario. So first let's get started in the center of our page, and we're going to start by drawing in a sideways oval for the nose. Let's draw in our eyes now. So on the left hand side we're going to arch this around, bringing that down and in on the side, and then we're going to flip over on the right, leaving a gap in the center and just replicating that. Now as we come inside of our eye, we're going to arch this line around and in again towards the side of our nose. Let's move in towards the middle again, and we're going to curve this line around and then down on the side. And then moving in towards the top of our eye, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight. Now from here, let's move down and draw in the mustache. So on the corner here, we're going to curve this line out and up on both sides. We're going to start on the corner here, curving this line around and in. Let's move in towards the middle again, curving that around, back up. And then we're just going to do that 2 more times in total, curving that in towards the center. Underneath for our mouth now, let's arch this line down, bringing that back up on the right. And then for our tongue, we're just going to close that off by curving that over. Let's move up and draw in the hat now. So for the tip of the cap, we're going to curve this line up, down, and back over. And now from this corner, we're going to curve this back around and then down again. On the inside here for the hair, we're going to curve this line out and over. And then to close that off on the side again, starting underneath, curving this back around and bringing that in towards that corner line. Let's close off the eyebrows now. So underneath here, underneath the cap, we're going to arch this line down towards our eye on both sides. And now from that point, we're just going to curve this back over towards the side. And now from here, from this point, we're just going to curve this back around and in towards the cap. Now let's draw in our chin. So stepping down underneath the mouth, let's draw in another arch line. Moving across on both sides now for the cheek, we're going to curve this line out and through towards the bottom. Let's draw in the ears. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a half circle. And then we're going to step over on the right, lining that up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate that. Moving over towards the inside now, let's curve this line across for the inside of the ear. And now stepping down, we're just going to draw in another curved line, arching that down towards the bottom. Now let's draw in our hat. So coming over on the left-hand side here, we're going to arch this line all the way over and down on the right. And now on both sides of this, stepping further up on that line, we're just going to curve this back around and in towards our ear. Now let's move up and draw the Mario symbol up above. So we're going to start by drawing in a nice big arch line, curving this around and down, creating a circle. On both sides now, we're going to draw in a diagonal line for the bottom of the M. And then from here, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line coming up towards the center. We're going to connect that together now with the letter V. And now we're just going to replicate this as we move around. So starting on the outside line, we're going to draw in another diagonal line, bringing that higher in towards the top. And now from that point, we're going to bring that over and through towards the center. Now let's draw in the body. So as we come down for the straps, on the overalls, we're going to curve this line down, around, and in. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, just drawing that at the same size. Now in the center, we're going to draw in a circle. And then we'll move over on the left-hand side and replicate that. Let's connect this together now with a slight curved line in the middle. Stepping out on both sides, we're going to curve this line down for the torso. And now as we move in towards the middle, we're just going to draw in a curved line right in the center. From the middle here now, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out on both sides. And then we'll do the same from the outside line, ending that at roughly the same height. Let's step over on the inside now. We're going to curve this line around, up, and over. And then from here, we're just going to connect this, bringing this curved line up towards that corner. Now let's close off the shoe. So on the inside, we're going to arch this line around, bringing this over and in towards that corner on the side. Now moving underneath, we're going to step over, arching this line around and up. And then as we move underneath again, we're just going to curve this line back around and then in towards the heel. Now let's draw in our arms. We're going to start with the fire. So we're going to start on the right hand side here, arching this line around and then up. We'll line this up at the same height on the left hand side and just replicate that. Now from here, we're going to curve this line down, up, and over. And we're just going to mirror this on the opposite side. Again, now we're going to start from that point, curving this down, up, over, and through towards the top, drawing in the center of the flame. And then from that point again, curving this out, down, and back up towards the top. Now again, from this point, curving this out, down, and through towards the side. Let's draw in the middle of the flame. So starting from the bottom, curving this around and up. And now again from that point, bringing this down and through towards the top. And now from that corner, we're going to curve this back around and in towards the bottom, blending that line in together. One more time as we move in towards the middle, curving this out, around, and then back over. Now let's draw in the thumb underneath. So we're going to curve a line that comes in on the inside. And then as we step over on the top, we're just going to arch this back down. Let's leave a gap now, drawing in the pinky. We're going to curve this around and down. Let's close off the palm of the hand now. So we're going to curve this around and through towards the top. Now in the center, curving this back around and over. And then one more time, curving this up and back down. Let's close off the top of the hand now, curving that over and through towards our thumb. And now let's just close off the arm. So we're going to curve this over and in towards our chin. And then stepping in slightly, just drawing in a small diagonal line, connecting that together. And that is it. That's how you draw Fire Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.